Our photo walk today is in Beverly Hills, and I am on Rodeo Drive, one of the glitziest, most glamorous streets in the world. What to do in Beverly Hills, what to photograph, let's take a look.
It is where you see glamour, you see glitz, you see fashion, you see art, and one-of-a-kind experiences that you see nowhere else in the world.
Beverly Hills is known as the City of Stars, which it once was back in the heyday of Hollywood. You're more likely to see a famous movie location, as in a hotel, than you are to see a movie star walking down the street. Beverly Hills is part of the Los Angeles Tourist Triple Play. Visitors come to Los Angeles and usually start with the Hollywood Walk of Fame, head over to Beverly Hills, and then finish up at Santa Monica and Venice. Remember that the Photowalk series is all about showing you the top spots through photos and videos to help you figure out what you want to photograph when you get there, and to give you tips on the best places to photograph that will light up your social media, along with some tips on how to get great photos. So your photo highlights in Beverly Hills has got to start with the amazing historic City Hall, Rodeo Drive, of course, and those beautiful giant palm trees, unlike any that you see anywhere.
It's Beverly, it's Rodeo, it's Palm Drive, any of those streets just with the sun, with an angle of the sun in there, whether it be the morning sun or the evening sun. That's quintessential Beverly Hills.
After we take a look around, I'm going to offer some tips on how to get your best palm tree shots. Ready, everyone? Let's go on a Beverly Hills photo walk. Beverly Hills, believe it or not, is not the richest city in the world. It's not the richest city in California. It's not even the richest city in Los Angeles County, but it does attract wealth, it exudes wealth, and it shows off wealth in a way that you just don't see in other places. Hence all those Rolls Royces driving down the street, and of course the opulence of Rodeo Drive. Here's one photo tip for you. One obstacle you're going to find when trying to photograph an iconic Beverly Hills location is trees and other things that are going to get in the way. So if you see my shot of the Beverly Hills Hotel, there is a palm tree in the way. It could have been worse. I kept moving and moving and moving until I got it right. See? Now let's talk palm trees and how to photograph them. North Beverly Boulevard, in between Santa Monica and Sunset, is the best place to see a really, really wide street and giant palm trees. How to capture them on camera? My advice for palm trees is get low, get really low. Get as low as you can get and get as wide as you can get. The wider, the better. My favorite of all the palm tree shots were actually photographed on this teeny little GoPro at super, super wide, having the big wide angle let in more of the trees. Remember, the best things in life are free. You do not have to drop $2,000 down on Rodeo Drive to have a great Beverly Hills photo walk. Visiting the hotels costs nothing. Walking up and down the streets, again, nothing. And of course, seeing the palm trees. But don't take it from me. Listen to what the mayor has to say.
One of my favorite things to do is you take a cup of coffee and you sit there and you just watch the people go by. They could be tourists, they could be locals, they could be rap stars, they could be whatever. And it's just fun to sit there and watch the world go by.
Speaking of free, let's close off with a snippet from a recent fireworks event in the heart of the city. Notice the candids of the spectators. Hint, upcoming photo walk on street photography. So that's our photo walk from Beverly Hills. Be sure to stick with our photo walk series for tips on where to get the best shots. We've been at the Hollywood sign, the San Francisco Golden Gate Bridge, Hermosa Beach, Manhattan Beach, Santa Cruz. We get around. Where would you like to see us go next? Let us know in the comments below. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment, name it all. Please do it. Remember, let's go out and take some